Students, welcome to the second video of measures of dispersion. In this video we are going to discuss about the types of data. So in our syllabus basically we are going to deal with three types of data, and the types of data is ungroup and group data. Okay, this ungroup and group data comes under the quantitative type of data. So in your syllabus we are dealing only with the quantitative type of data, and under this quantitative type of data we are dealing with group and ungroup. Okay, so class, basically we are having three types of data in your syllabus. In this chapter we are going to deal with ungrouped data, then group data. Under group data we are having two types: group discrete data, this is data not date, so group discrete data, and group continuous data. So three types of data: ungrouped data, group discrete data, and group continuous data. Ungroup means only single values are given. Suppose there are 5 families and we are interested in number of children per family. Okay, so suppose in first family there are 2 children, in second family suppose there is 1 child, third family suppose there is 3 children, fourth family suppose there is 1 child, and in fifth family suppose there are 2 child. Okay, so ungroup means single discrete values are given, only values are given. These values comes under the x. X means variable. X is a variable. Okay, and we are going to call this x as random variable. R for random. Random means it can take any value. Okay, random value. We can't say that R is or X is so or so. It may be anything. It randomly it will take values. So X is a random variable. Okay. So ungroup means only X values are given. So 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Only values are given, then that is comes under the ungrouped data. Now let us see the example of second type of data. So second type of data is group discrete data. Now group discrete means x values are given and frequency is given. Okay, so let us see the example of group discrete data. So suppose I have taken a test of 5 marks. Okay, test of 5 marks, and there are 10 students who appeared for the test. So number of student, total number of student is 10, and marks 5 marks. Okay, then x means marks. Okay, and f means number of students. X means marks and F means number of students. So marks are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now suppose there are 2 students who got 1 mark. Suppose there are 1 student who got 2 marks. Suppose there are 4 students who got 3 marks. Okay, suppose there are 2 students who got 4 marks, and suppose there is a 1 student who got 5 marks. So total is 10, right? Total of F is 10. Now this is a example of group discrete data. Why discrete? Because marks is a single number, right? Marks is given in terms of a single value, single number. And frequency means number of students. So this means how many students got 1 mark? So 2 students got the 1 mark. 1 student got 2 marks. Okay, 4 student got 3 marks, 2 students got 4 marks, and 1 student got 5 marks. Okay, now since x values are different or discrete, therefore it is known as a group discrete data. Okay, when I say grouped, means frequency is given. Frequency given means it is a group data, and if the x values are different, then it is a discrete data. So group discrete data. Now let us see the example of group continuous data. So for continuous, class intervals are given. So suppose 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, and 40 to 50. Okay, class intervals are given and corresponding frequencies are given. So suppose 2, 4, 3, 2, 9. Okay, so total is 20. Okay, total frequency is 20, right? 9, 11, 14, 18, 18 plus 2, so 20, right? So total frequency is 20. So suppose there are 20 students. 20 students were appeared for a test of 50 marks. Okay, now the test is for 50 marks. Now if I write 1, 2, 3, 4, 50, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 marks till 50, then it is a very time consuming and very lengthy process. So what I will do, I will divide this 50 marks in an interval. So here I am dividing 50 as 0 to 10 interval, then 10 to 20, then 20 to 30, then 30 to 40, and 40 to 50. Okay, I am dividing this 50 marks in interval, in 10 interval. Okay, now 2 students. Frequency means again number of students. This class intervals means marks, right? This again represent the marks, and F represent the number of students. Okay, this represent the number of students. So 2 students got marks between 0 to 10. Then 4 students got marks between 10 to 20. There are 3 students who got marks between 20 to 30. There are 2 students who got marks between 30 to 40. And there are 9 students who got marks between 40 to 50. Okay. Now, this is an example of group continuous data. First, frequency is given, therefore it is a group data. Okay. Now, class interval. Class intervals are different. 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30 class intervals are given. Not discrete values are given. Single value is not given. Range is given. Since range is given, therefore it is a continuous. Okay. So this type of data comes under the group continuous data. Okay. It comes under the group continuous data. So it is the example of group continuous. Clear? So once again, we are going to deal with 3 types of data. First one is ungrouped data, second one is group discrete data, and third one is group continuous data. So once again, let us see the example. So example of ungrouped data. In ungrouped data, we are dealing with only values. Okay, only single values are given. So that comes under the ungrouped type data. frequency is not given, so that type of data is a ungrouped data, as you can see here, right? Only discrete numbers are given. See example number 2, ages of sample of managers from a urban child care center in the United States. So see, only numbers are given, frequency is not given, single numbers are given, discrete values are given. So this is an example of ungrouped data. Okay, so ungrouped data clear. If frequency is not given, that means data is a ungrouped data. Then if x values are given, okay, then and x values are different values or discrete values, then it comes under the discrete data. Okay, so how we are going to identify this data? So first of all, frequency is given. Since frequency is a given, therefore it is a group data. Now see the x values. So single values are given, therefore it is a discrete type of data. Okay, one more example. Since frequency is given, therefore it is a group data. Now under group, whether it is a discrete or continuous, so for that you can see the values of x. So single values are given, discrete values are given, therefore it is a example of discrete data. Now here, as you can see, frequency is given, so that's why it is a group data. Now x values are given in range form, right? Here class interval is given, so that's why it is a continuous data. Okay, now you know how to identify the data. Once again, see, frequency is given, therefore it is a group data. Now again here interval is given, range is given, and that's why it comes under the continuous data. Okay, so if discrete values are given, then it is a group discrete data. If interval is given, then it is a group continuous data. Okay, so with this I am concluding this video. Thank you students.